my channel. This is gift to all my subscribers from me, Lotam Simmo. I will give this gift to all my viewers on end of this video. So all please watch this video till the end. Today my channel is 500 subscribers. So I am lucky to give to all my subscribers and viewers who supported me. In this journey, I make 13 videos. In this, I make 6 experiment videos. It became so popular. All experiment videos like water and paper experiment, water, lemon and salt experiment, water candle experiment, water moving experiment, turmeric, detergent and vinegar experiment, and pepper and soap experiment. I am given link in the description. Who are not seen this video, see in description and like this video. Next I am going to reach 1000 subscribers and I am lucky to make so many interesting videos. So all the viewers, please watch the videos and like and subscribe my channel and support me. Now time to give gift to all my subscribers. If you want to see this gift, thank you. Subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.